Good morning!
Good morning!
Parang mahina. Good morning po!
Good morning!
Yes po. Magandang buhay! Another, magandang buhay! Buhay na buhay po tayo. Okay. So, ang ating provincial officials, Sir Philip Chodor Cruz, Honorable Heidi Pacheco, municipal officials who are around this morning, our Honorable Vice Mayor J.M. Crisostomo, of course, our guest of honor speaker who will introduce later, and our honoree, our batch 63, Madam Ederlinda Pantaleon, the DepEd officials, headed by, of course, our Public Schools District Supervisor, Dr. Ellen L. Fernandez, and of course, our principal, Madam Digna Eitando from Labrador and Bugalion, Pangasinan. And of course, the faculty members of this school and the non-teaching staff, and of course, our stars of the day, the alumni of former Padilla Elementary School and then Padilla Central School. Yun po ang trivia. At dati, ang pangalan ng school natin is Padilla Elementary School. And then, nung nandito na po ang district office, ay naging Padilla Central School po. Tama po yung mga oldies natin? Youngsters, okay. So, nag-start ang Padilla Central School in the year 1925. So, to be exact, it is 100 years. So, this is a milestone. Of course, the successful alumni of Padilla Central School. Because 100 years na po tayo nag-start ang ating education. Our theme for today is reminiscing memories, breaking distances, and reaching out together. Siyempre po, mag-reminisce po tayo today about our salad days. Your salad days here at Padilla Central School. And then breaking distances and reaching out together. Siyempre po, ni-reach out po ninyo ang inyong mga classmates, ang inyong mga batchmates to arrive at this second alumni homecoming. Rolled into one, two in one. 100 years and second alumni homecoming of Padilla Central School. As we celebrate 100 years of excellence and shared purpose, we gather to honor the memories that shape us and the legacy that continues to unite us. This centennial celebration and alumni homecoming remind us that no matter where life has taken us, we can always break distances and reconnect with the community that helped build who we are. Today, we come together to strengthen old ties, create new memories, and renew our commitment to the mission that has guided our beloved institution for a century. May this milestone inspire pride, gratitude, and hope as we honor our past, celebrate our present, and look forward to a future of continued unity and growth. Nais ko lang pong sabihin na up to now, Padilla Central School is maintaining the excellence, academic excellence, and sports excellence po. Namamayagpag pa rin hanggang ngayon ang Padilla Central School. Ipakuta. Ito po ang proof na kayong mga alumni today ay mga successful, and then up to now, we are still excelling in the academic and sports sports. Okay, thank you very much, and I formally open today's activity, and see you tonight. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for coming, for those inspiring words.
We acknowledge the arrival of the former principal of our school. Good morning, ma'am. So now, let us pin our ears as we listen to the messages coming from our distinguished guests. May we first call on our school principal, Madam Digna A. Tandok, for her message. A warm round of applause, please.
Antes ko panggabuan, sulabay ko na ipagalit si kayo. Hindi may magbagsin. Yung pinakamanaas na panatag. Maraming salamat po ang pag-good vibes. Tuwing Monday po sa aming flag raising, yan po parati ang aking bukan. Pinapapalagpag ko ng pinakamalakas ang aming mga eskwela. Number 1, para palagi po nilang naaalala ang Padilla Central School, ang Padilla Clan. My greetings and acknowledgement, first and foremost, of course, to the Honorable Vice Mayor, J.M. Crisostomo. Of course, my acknowledgement who are coming very soon, the 2 board member of the 2nd District of Pangasinan, Honorable Heidi Pacheco and the Honorable Philip Theodore Cruz. My dear friends, I would like to acknowledge this person who had shaped me and had become part of me during my years of studying, so that I can become now as I am. Dr. Ederlinda Pantaleon, my professor, my mentor, my formator at the St. Columba's College Pastoral Center. Mga minamahal ko pong mga alumni, mga retired teachers, and the former principal of this prestigious school, I am very much elated. Dumating po ako dito noong April 7. Ang opening of the class for 2025-2026 is June 16 sa Brigada Eskwela pa lang. At Brigada Eskwela, the teachers told me, Ma'am, the school is to celebrate its 100 years or a centennial. My God, I was scared a bit. I was nervous a bit. Because for that 100 years milestone, naalala ko po ang isang philosopher. Sabi niya po, if you want to walk fast, muna tayo doon. If you want to walk fast, you walk alone. But if you want to walk far, we walk together. Nakita ko po yan sa inyo, bagamat we have a very short period of the announcement, of trying to look into all the batches, kung andyan pa ba kayo? Andyan pa ba sila? Because it all started in 1925. That is why we are on the centennial. And the teachers were very much prompted to look all into the records para po mahanap kayo. And I am very thankful. Nilagpasan natin yung 100. We have 160 registrants previous and ongoing pa rin po yung registration. Thank you so much for your response. Alam niyo po, every day, as I am to go on my rounds, ang first step ko po parati, ang first entrance ko ay dyan po sa pintuan na yan. Because I have browsed some pictures and some records na kakaiba pala yung pintuan na yan. And then, have I seen a very legendary picture therein. And I always pray. And I will always tell him, Justice Sabino Padilla, please pray for me. Please pray for the teachers. Please pray for our pupils, our learners. Gabayan mo po kami. Tulungan mo po kami. And it did so, my dear friends. Dumating po ako dito after 2 months. Dumating na po ang pera, budget na galing sa Bagyong Krising. It's a 47,000. And I did repairs of the roofing. That is our priority kasi pag umulan, lahat inuulan. Here comes another fund from Bagyong Emo. Another 55,000, which we are trying to work it out sa mga program of work. And you know what? Those funds, the labor and other funds or source to work it, hindi po ka pwedeng ikobra doon. And we voiced it to our very significant stakeholders, the Padilla Club. And they sent money so that all has to be materialized. Sa labor pala, nagbigay na po sila agad ng 15,000. Kaya nagawa po yung mga improvement. But you know, ako po, personally, kapag po pumapasok po ako dyan sa gate, tanaw na tanaw ko po ang stage. And you know, pag tayo po ang ating crowning glory ay ang ating buhok, di po ba? Ganyan din po sana sa school. Na pagpasok pa lang, very stunning na ang ating stage because it is where we meet and we smile of all the pictures in our programs and in our activities. That is why, along with your gathering, along with our celebration today of the 100 years of our school, it's very prestigious, and of the second grand alumni homecoming, kumakatok po kami sa inyong mga puso. Mamaya nyo na po ipahayag sa ating search. Yan, magkakaroon po tayo ng search. Kahit ganun na lang yung pag-marks nyo, pwede pa. Di ba? Yeah. Okay, so I am loving that, my dear friends. Our school is a central school. It is central nga, kaya it is the center. Kung may mga activities ang ating district office, nakatabi ko lamang po ang opisina, likod lamang ng pader. I realize, sabi ko, agaylayan abong na Padilla ko po. Akin na amayama yung room and it was designed to be in a classroom. Nansan walay yan. May nansan man ako na sa ikwan na inak, sa inak. I was born in 1968, so I know about it. Sa ikwan to, walay audiensya. Awa, madam. Ang puwang ko naman tutugtong irarayay Padilla clan kung larat na ng audiensya, and it is made up of very hard woods. Although, sometimes it is already rattening by the years. My dear friends, ang budget po ng school natin, I always make a part of a projection for minor repairs. Liyan po lamang ang kaya ng ating MOO, hindi po ma'am, mga principal dito. But don't you worry that yan, hindi naman yan ang ating main focus. Along with the focus is the curriculum. Yan po ang pinaigting kahit nung sino pa yung pinakaunang punong guro. Ang pinaigting po ay ang curriculum para bawat isa po sa inyo ay marating ninyo ang inyong kinalalagyan ngayon. Pumuti ang buhok nyo, mga patibalbas, nawala na ang buhok, humina ang tuhod, but there is always a big part in your heart. That is why you remember today the Padilla Central School. Later on, we will recognize a one legend who exemplified in her well-standing and well-scholastic standing here at this very own school the Padilla Central School. Our retirees, our former teachers, and the teachers who are now exerting a lot of effort and the unwavering love for our learners and the love for our school. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagdating ngayong araw. Pero mas papasalamatan ko po kayong lahat. Magkita-kita po tayo ulit mamayang gabi with all our stunning dress and our well-made faces. Thank you so much, and I love you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for that very inspiring and may pakaunting trivia about the Padilla Central School.
At this moment, let us hear a message coming from our Municipal Vice Mayor, Honorable J. Mark J.M. Crisostomo.
Hello po, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Good morning to everyone. Of course, allow me to give my greetings and thanks to the head of this school, our principal, Ma'am Digna Tandok. Ma'am, very well said po. Feeling ko talaga napakatagal mo na dito sa Padilla Central School, kahit mas matagal ako dahil kapit-bahay ko lang sila. No? Secondly, to our former principals of this institution, maraming salamat po for all your efforts and support. Of course, to all our alumni, welcome back. Kung saan po kayo laging naglalaro noon, kung saan po kayo nag-aaral noon, at syempre kung saan po ang mga first time ay na-experience niyo po dito. Secondly, I would like to congratulate our overall chairman for today, Madam Delia Garcia. Ma'am, thank you so much po. Our overall chairman sa gabi naman, of course, nandyan si Sir Alvin Abuan. Sir, and syempre to all of you, alam niyo po, I have 3 reasons why I am here today. I have 3 reasons why I attended your Centennial and Second Grand Alumni Homecoming. First reason is that ang Padilla Central School, pagkalipat mo ng isang bahay, kami na po yun. Ako na po yun. Diyan lang po kami. Kapit-bahay lang po. Kaya po, that is why that is my first reason kung bakit nandito po ako. Second reason po, nasa CR pa lang po ako, nagsasabon at naliligo pa lang po ako. Tumawag na po sa akin si Ma'am Belinda Viloria. Naku po, pag hindi po ako nagpunta dito, siguradong kukurutin na po ako sa kilikili noon. Asan si Ma'am Viloria? Nandiyan ba yan? Madam Viloria, second reason that I'm here is because of you. And third reason, during my first fight as counselor, it was the Padilla Central School who really showed the support, who really showed the love for me as I pursue my dream in continuing my public service. Kaya po, never ko pong makakalimutan ng institusyon na to. Sa lahat po ng programa na ako po ay inimbitahan, sa lahat po ng programa na ako po ay binigyan ng paanyaya, I always make sure that my presence are felt in this institution. Unang-una po, dahil po ang aking mga kapatid ay dito lahat nagtapos. No? Patawarin niyo po si Vice Mayor J.M. Ako lang po ata hindi graduate sa pamilya ko ng Padilla Central School. Although, nag-aral po ako dito ng grade 1. Grade 1 po ako nag-aral sa Padilla Central School. Ang teacher ko po noon, hindi ko alam kung buhay pa po sila, si Ma'am Ang, Madam Ang. Sila po ang teacher ko ng grade 1 po ako. At yung sinasabi po ni Madam Principal na letrato dyan sa taas, alam niyo po, nung bata po ako, sobrang takot na takot po ako sa letrato na yun. At every time po, pakiramdam ko po, pag umaakit ako dyan, lagi po nakatingin sa akin. Ano ba? Ganun din po ba kayo? Diba si Judge Padilla, pag umaakit ako dyan, hindi pwedeng mag-isa lang ako. Kasi kung hindi po ako takot sa kanya, dahil pakiramdam ko po nakatingin siya sa akin, pag nilalagpasan ko po siya, piling ko po sinusutsutan niya po ako. Doon po sa aming bahay, ang kwarto ko po ay sa pinakalikod. Pag dumukong po ako dito sa terrace natin, lagi ko po siyang naalala. May isa pa po akong experience dito. Isang gabi, nagtatakutan kami ng mga pinsan ko, tsaka ng mga kapatid ko, dyan sa bintana, parang may puti. Akala namin, may nakasilip. Pagkagising namin kinabukasan, yung kurtina pala nakagilid na gano'n. So parang, I have so many experience in Padilla Central School during my time as I was studying here. And of course, dahil kapitbahay lang ang Padilla Central School, ay talagang may mga experience kami dito. Pero to share it with you, isa sa mga pinakamasarap na experience pagkatabi mo ang school, una po, pagdating na ng alas 4, alas 5, alas 6, tahimik na po ang bahay namin. Dahil wala po kaming kapitbahay, dahil wala pong tao sa school ng gabi. Diba? So peaceful. Pangalawa po, pag may bagyo, pag may ulan, para po feeling namin meron kaming sariling Sierra Madre. Dahil yung bagyo po, mababa lang po yung bahay namin. Pag ang hangin medyo mataas, ang sumasalo po yung school. So feeling po namin safe na safe po kami. Kaya po, sobrang dami feeling ko po ng contributions ng Padilla Central School sa amin, on my personal life, on my political life, and of course to our family. No? Kaya I will never forget how this institution helped me to become a better person now, and of course, help my family grow also. No? Kasi lahat ng kapatid ko dito po nag-graduate. Feeling ko, medyo may tampo si Sir Alvin kasi ako lang po hindi graduate dito. No? But then again, although I am not an alumnus of this institution, my heart is always close to Padilla Central School. Kaya po, again, sana huwag kayo magsawa sa akin in inviting me in every program, small programs or big programs man ito. Rest assured that I will always give my effort and my time and my presence in supporting this institution. At nagtataka po ako, kasi 100 na po tayo. We've been serving the Lingayen community for 100 years now. Pero we have only conducted 2 alumni homecoming. Baka po mas through this centennial celebration of our institution, makapag-usap-usap po ang mga alumni. Let's come up with a plan, a 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years plan. Para naman po, hindi na po, baka po ang sumunod na alumni homecoming is sa 200 years pa. Baka hindi na natin maabutan. But if we continue connecting with each other, if we continue chatting with each other, and planning ahead of time, we might be celebrating an alumni homecoming yearly. Diba? Wala namang masama. Hindi naman too expensive kung lahat tayo will contribute. I will also give my share and my part for the homecoming. Para po kahit papano, may mga moment naman na maingay ang gabi sa kapitbahay dahil nandito tayong nag-aalumni, nagsasayawan at nag-enjoy. Ano po? So, I would also like to take this opportunity na magpasalamat po sa inyo pong lahat for the trust and confidence that you are giving to your Vice Mayor. And rest assured that your Vice Mayor is not a Vice Mayor just like a flower vase who is just putting in that area to just be a decoration. No? Rest assured that your Vice Mayor is a working Vice Mayor. To be honest, to share it with you, a history in the making, ang inyong pong Vice Mayor, first time in the history of Lingayen, na ang inyong pong Vice Mayor is elected as the Regional President of the Vice Mayors League of the Philippines. Wala pa pong naging Vice Mayor ang bayan ng Lingayen na nahalal bilang Regional President ng Vice Mayors of the Philippines Region 1. Kung i-check po natin, ang Region 1 composed of Ilocos Norte, Ilocos Sur, La Union, and Pangasinan. When we go sa Ilocos Norte, andyan ang mga Pariñases at Marqueses na mayayaman. Go down to Ilocos Sur, andyan ang mga Singson, Chavit Singson. Pag pumunta po kayo ng La Union, andyan din po ang mga kilalang Ortega ng La Union. But when you go down to Pangasinan, hindi naman kilala ang Crisostomo sa buong lalawigan ng Pangasinan. Marahil, pwede, kilala niyo po ako kasi sarasarag na kayo bola at Lingayen. Pero kapaway tayo Lingayen, adak lakabat at Interon Pangasinan. Katun sa ikot ko paano tukosin manalo yay aliwan balagang ngaran, aliwan mayaman nga pamilya, sang kaugawan tan saan ka malaga ng ni-demand sa may election niya Vice Mayor's League of the Philippines. Pero sa ikuan ko, ang nayari sa presidente at agamanlapot Pangasinan. Because if you come to see to it, Pangasinan is the biggest province in Region 1. Katulad hindi ako pumayag na dapat hindi manggaling Pangasinan. At lalong hindi po ako pumayag na hindi manggaling sa bayan ng Lingayen. Because Lingayen is the capital town of the great province of Pangasinan. And checking the history, wala pa pong naging presidente mula sa Lingayen. So sabi ko, bakit ganun? Kaya sa ginawang at nagagigera, ang gano'n siya susang kaugawan ng Vice Mayor ng Region 1, ang gano'n siya susang kamalagan ng ngaran ng Region 1, ang gadhay kumot wala, ay see to it na dapat we will bring home the bacon. Sa ginawa, inlulugan ko namin ang provincial bus susara may amin ng Vice Mayor yung Pangasinan. Kasabing diman, anong yung gano'n tayo karakul, gano'n kami kamiyamay, at tubakyan mo diraan sa analog regional president, saya Vice Mayor yung at balay na Lingayen. Thank you po. Hindi ko po magagawa yan kung hindi po dahil sa inyo. Second po, nai-report ko po sa inyo, ang inyong pong Vice Mayor, meron po tayong naririnig, I'm sure that you are all educated, alam natin lahat ng nangyayari, lalo na sa bansa. Naririnig po natin yung Mayors for Good Governance. Tama po? Sino po ang mga Mayors for Good Governance? Mayor Vico Soto of Pasig City, right? Yes. Mayor Benji Magalong of Baguio City. Tama po? Mayor Joy Belmonte of Quezon City. Out of these mayors, meron po tayong tinatawag na Vice Mayors for Good Governance. At 5 lang po ang Vice Mayors for Good Governance na National Convener. Ang National Convener po, ito po ang mga promoter for transparency and accountability. Sa buong Pilipinas, ang 5 Vice Mayor na ito, napakaswerte ko po. Isa po sa 5, si Vice Mayor J.M. Crisostomo as the National Convener for Good Governance. Ibig sabihin po nito, ang inyong pong Vice Mayor, hindi lang po nakatatak sa bayan ng Lingayen, hindi lang po nakalista sa mapa ng Pangasinan o nakatatak sa Region 1. Ang inyong pong Vice Mayor ay nakatatak sa limbagan ng buong Pilipinas that your Vice Mayor is an advocate of transparency and accountability, that your Vice Mayor is for good governance. Kaya po masaya po ako, kahit po first time ko po na Vice Mayor, nakikita po ng mga national agencies, nalalaman po ng mga nasa malalaki, matataas na posisyon, ng inyong pong Vice Mayor ay isang matino, ng inyong pong Vice Mayor ay isang mahusay, at ng inyong pong Vice Mayor ay isang may pusong Vice Mayor. Take note, napakagulo po ng Pilipinas ngayon. Madalas po, tinatanong ko sa mga audience na pinagsasalitaan ko, tutuputun ko si Kara. Si Pai gabay to yung gawan kontraktor. Katong abulo niya, matuputun ta kayo mo. Gabay yung gawan kontraktor. Educator na lang. Ano po? It's a very noble profession. But ako po, lagi ko pong sinasabi, hindi naman po masamang maging kontraktor. Diba? Ang masama po, kung kontraktor kang mali ang ginagawa. Tama? In the same way, hindi po masamang maging politiko. Hindi po masamang maging vice mayor, hindi po masamang maging mayor, maging councilor, maging congressman o maging senador. Hindi po masama. Ang masama po, kung ikaw ay nasa posisyon at gumagawa ka ng mali. Tama po, in the same way, hindi po masamang maging teacher, maging nurse, maging doktor, at maging kahit na anong mga profesyon. Ang importante po, habang we are doing our profession, we are doing it right and well. Kaya po, my advice to you, dapat po when we choose our leaders, not only in our municipality, in our barangay, but in our institution, when we choose our leaders, piliin natin yung leader na hindi lang dapat mahusay. Kasi po, marami po akong kilalang mahusay, pero hindi po matitino. Diba? Ang husay nila, sa sobrang husay nila, iba na ang ginagawa nila. Kaya dapat po when we choose our leaders, mahusay at matino. Matino at mahusay. At idadagdag ko lang po, ang inyong pong Vice Mayor ay matino, mahusay at may puso. So muli po, maraming salamat po. Congratulations on your second alumni homecoming and our celebration of the 100 years or centennial year of Padilla, formerly Padilla Elementary School, now Padilla Central School. So dahil po may alumni homecoming tayo at Pasko naman po, ang sabi po nila, ang Pasko ay pagbibigayan. Tama po. Kaya po on your homecoming, hayaan niyo po ako makapagbigay ng 5,000 pesos na konting tulong po sa celebration po ninyo. Dahil po pag hindi po ako nagbigay ng 5,000, baka batuhin ni Madam Belinda yung bubong ko. Diyan na po. No? But kidding aside, since Christmas naman po, at nakapagbigay naman po ako ng regalo sa inyo, baka po okay din po na humingi ako ng kapalit. Sabi niyo, bakit kaya humingi ng kapalit si Vice Mayor? Sana po, dahil Pasko naman po at nakapagmulta naman po ako sa inyo, hingi po ako ng multa rin po sa inyo kung okay lang po. Ang multa po na hihingin ko po sa inyo, sana po lagi niyo pong ipagdasal si Vice Mayor J.M. Crisostomo na lagi pong maisip, maayos ang isip natin, na lagi po tayong matino, na lagi po tayong mahusay, na lagi pong nasa tama ang landas natin, na sana po hindi po ako malihis ng landas, na sana po ang temptations po ay lagi pong malayo sa akin para lagi po akong malinis na humarap sa inyo. Para sa ganun, masabi ko po, sa may kawas sa kagalangan niya, ipabais yun siya. Sama niya, mihora siya, ipapabais yun siya, kadakutan naman siya, agkutan ng dikutan. Piano nung makapansisingilan tayo lalamot, makananangatod si kayo, mata sa mata, na ibagayo, aga aperte, aga asayang, may boto at tiwala, ipapabais yun sayang nagiyo. Kaya po, yun lang po ang Christmas gift ko sa inyo. Yung pala isisiplan ng gano'ng maminsan yung labat idasal niya, maksilya na inay sa laman ko. Maayos palagi ang pag-iisip natin para po may pagpatuloy ko po yung mga pangarap ko para po sa bayan ng Lingayen. Ano po? So muli po, maraming salamat sa inyo. Kumon, na nilabi nung mangyayariyaran kayo ang may natulog hakbar. Piano na experience ko, wala may ingal niya kapit-bahay. Eh, dyan LCC ba, sir? Ako, inimagine ko pa naman niya short tag dyan, kasando ang labat, mambabantay, kaya wala rin. Sige, doon. Makikisayawan pa rin po ako doon, ha? So, muli po, this is your Vice Mayor, ang Lodi ng Bayan ng Lingayen. Ang akin pong pagbati sa inyo ng maligayang Pasko, manigong bagong taon, at happy fiesta po sa Bayan ng Lingayen. Maraming salamat po. Thank you po.
Again, thank you very much, Honorable Vice Mayor J.M. Crisostomo, for that inspiring and insightful messages. And again, thank you very much to our guests for your meaningful messages. Now, before we proceed with the message of our guest of honor and speaker, let us hear a simple flashback of the Padilla Central School as we welcome Dr. Ederlinda M. Pantaleon to be formally introduced by our principal, Ma'am Digna A. Tando.
It's not actually a formal introduction. It is very informal, but I am pretty sure it will be a reminiscing also of her past here at Padilla Central. You know, nakakataba ng puso po dahil di naman po ako taga rito, na-assign lang ako dito. Pero nung binabalikan namin nga po yung mga records, andyan na po ang aking ulirang guro. Dahil guro ko po siya, professor ko po siya sa St. Columban. Formator namin. Kasi po kami ay pinag-aral ng mga madre. At siya po ang aming tigapangalaga. Ang titigas po ng mga ulo namin. And will always tell us in her tiger look. And we realized, my dear friends, it was so kasi we are being molded. Kaya po kahit saan iikutan yung school, dito sa Pangasinan at kahit sa Manila, pag-graduate ng St. Columban, ang unang-unang sasabihin ang aming professor sa practice teaching, Madam Ederlinda, and all commended, all teachers from St. Columban are commended for being, of course, excellent because we are rooted from someone who is excellent. My dear friends, dala-dala po ni Ma'am ang isang karangalan at kinapsulize ko po ngayon. You imagine, she was a grader. Grade 3? Grade 4. So kung 1963 siya, 62, 61, 60, 59. She is grade 4. And you know what? Ito po, may I read the commendation. This is a meritorious award to be presented to Dr. Ederlinda M. Pantaleon for an exemplary high honors attributed in her elementary school Central Number 3. I do not understand that Central Number 3, but I believe Padilla Central School, Padilla Elementary School ng Samad. Obtaining a perfect score, 100% in all subjects, reading, language, arithmetic, and social studies. Yun lang po yung core subjects, 3 R's, reading, writing, and arithmetic, kwanto ng Samad. At kasali na rin po ang araling panlipunan. In her first grade 4 national test given on March 13, 1961, 1961 ng grade 4 Iran. Thus, this award is to reminisce in time of the centennial celebration at the second Grand Alumni Homecoming, given this 20th day of December 2025 here at Padilla Central School, Lingayen, Pangasinan. Signed, Delia H. Garcia, Overall Chairman, Alvin Arabuan, Overall Chairman, and yours truly, Digna A. Tanto. May we now call in Madam Ederlinda Pantaleon. Please join us, Sir Honorable Vice Mayor, and Madam Ibal. Pwede po kayo kaya. Mamaya na lang. Will you join us po? Okay na po. With all our honor and gratitude, thank you so much po, Mama Ederlinda at Mama Ibal.
Okay. Thank you so much po, Ma'am Ederlinda. So, bago po sila bumalik sa kanilang upuan, mag-share lang po sila ng kaunti.
Tyson Laman experience na nagdang kumadya-wadya sa Padilla Elementary School. Sa building may walang laman, bakanting manalote. Sa grade 4, ay grade 5 and 6, Basil and Samson Benson, demand and Sampon. O, demand and Sampon. So, kinanto. Nang man-examine kami at grade 4, very first national exam, yung ng gobyerno. Pag-test na ang grade 4. Kasi, ang kaya rin na may liberation after the war. Actually na ng grade 1 na, eksaktong pinibisita si MacArthur. Amin, pinalinya ng Boulevard. Ganyan, may grade 4, singa, i-test ng gobyerno, no, paano, katagoy. So, standard na may graduates na grade 4. Kasi nang saman, before the war, no grade 4 ka, makabangat ka na. Ganyan, may grade 4, so in-exam na. And in that exam, Jalan Padilla, apatira kami actually yakala. Kaya lang, arami-arami yung classmates ko nakala ang kapularan. Siyang trabagso at ilang. Kanya siyang sa singa pagkapag-recall na ayaw ko dapat. Say principal ni kasama na panahon na nagkwanta ko. Nalilagay nga randay, si Mr. Tomas De Leon. Si Kara sa principal ni. Dahil sa'y mag-instructed sa amin grade 4, sa'y advisor ko, taga-bilig si Mrs. Magdalena Pakis. Ay, Pakis. Si Kara. Sa kwarto ng grade 4 kami ni Manyasay. Kuskustungan ni so abong dali. Counselor, ay device mo yun. No, recess. Ang kapunay supartin na eswilaan ng saman. Walay garita dita. Dita patit na pero tamis mo. Amay, si Nana Iday, so panaglako. No, Karin Nabel, usilang yung Karin di Tanay, diretsyon sa may pagkantindote di Tanay, ang kawalay playground. At isin kay wala rat na inyo. Yan. Sa renyo, ano pislupis o pulong na, nagagawa ng bugaw yaswing. Pero sa standard na Padilla, as a school, matagay mo lang sa amin. Kasi no, ang kukontext iray district, spelling, kuman, tabi manliliting. Usually, pagananan nilang sa Padilla Elementary School. Okay? Salamat at si kayo.
Ayan, thank you so much po, Dr. Ederlinda, for sharing your stories. Napa-flashback Friday po tayo, kahit Saturday pa lang po. Okay, so hindi pa po tayo tapos. We also want to give this certificate of recognition to our former school principal and former PSTS of our district. We have Dr. Gloria C. Nepal. May we invite here on stage Dr. Gloria C. Nepal. So let me read the text. Certificate of recognition is hereby awarded to Dr. Gloria C. Nepal in grateful recognition of her distinguished, dedicated, and selfless service. Through exemplary leadership, unwavering commitment, and tireless dedication to the field of education, and has significantly contributed to the academic growth, character formation, and overall development of the learners, faculty, and community. Given this 20th day of December 2025 during the Centennial 100-year celebration and the Second Grand Alumni Homecoming at Padilla Central School, Lingayen, Pangasinan. Signed by the overall chairman, Ma'am Delia H. Garcia and Sir Alvin, and our principal, Madam Digna A. Lando. Yes, may we call on stage our principal, Ma'am Digna A. Lando, Ma'am Delia H. Garcia, Sir Alvin R. Abuan, and of course, our awardee po again. Let's give a hand to Dr. Gloria C. Nepal. We also invite here on stage, Ma'am Dulce. Please join us here on stage for the awarding of the certificate. Okay, once again, let us give a hand to Dr. Gloria C. Nepal.
Good morning to everybody. I was surprised this morning. I did not know that I'm going to speak now. So, first of all, I must be thankful to Alvin kahit na malayo, sister, invite me to attend this 100 centennial with this 100 years since celebrating 2025. The invitation was to Madam Sweet, Madam Dulce, my former teacher, and then Madam Aragia, Madam Sweet, and Madam Dulce, Alvin and others. So, I was surprised this morning, and thank you, Madam Degna, my first time to meet you. And I know Madam Brenda Moore, the sister of TC. I hope you can understand my situation now. This is surprise. Hindi ko alam kung anong sasabihin ko. Tama yung sabi ni Vice Mayor, wala na sa Vice Mayor. Kasi noon diyan ako, ang opisina ko dito, for 3 years as principal here, and 3 years as supervisor there with Mr. Siso. Ito ngayon, very much improved. Sabi ni Vice Mayor, na mayroon siya nakita. Nakita ko rin ang may-ari dito. Dito, nakisa lang ako dito. At that floor, grade 5 plus Madam Cruz and Madam Archillo there. While I there, ito na Nagtikim ako ng for 3 years dito sa Padilla. I do not know kung diretso pa rin yan ang ibigay ni may-ari. Akong dito sa ngayong Padilla, magpapasalamat tayo dahil mayroong big person na hanggang ngayon, steady pa rin ang ibinibigay niyo. At saludo ako sa mga teachers. Ilan na ng teachers na naiwan dito. It's only Belinda, Alvin, Mrs. Oliveros, and others. I cannot remember. Alam niyo, mahirap ang tumanda. Pero I must be thankful because with my age, I'm not 80 years old. Malakas pa rin ako. Dahil lang sa aso ko, napilay ako, is already 3 years. So, without too much ado, thank you for inviting me. I still remember my service here in Padilla Senior School. Sa lahat ng mga parents, lahat ng mga estudyante, mga teachers, andito pa, maraming salamat po.
Ayan, thank you so much po, Dr. Gloria C. Neval.
And now, okay. So, and now, to give her message, may we call on Ma'am Dulce Tolosa, former teachers of PCS and EPS of SDO1 Pangasinan.
Thank you so much po sa ating mga Masters of Ceremonies, Ma'am Danica P. Isarza and Ma'am Melanie M. Caligin. Romaline. Okay. Thank you so much. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Pasensya na po kayo. I was really caught unaware. Magsasalita po pala ako. Anyways, this is, I think, the best opportunity for me po to be sharing this centennial celebration of Padilla Central School. Since I was once a classroom teacher po dito for, I think, 1993 I was here in 1993 and had my promotion in 2004. So mga 9 years, 10 years, parang ganun po na naandito po ako sa Padilla Central School. Ang mga naalala ko po dito na naging estudyante ko, yung kapatid po ni, dalawang kapatid ni Vice Mayor, and that is Susilito, and sino yung isa, Alvina, kapatid ni, VM, may isa pa. Yung nurse na ngayon, yung Silito, and may isa pa. So, sila po yung nadatnan ko po dito. Si Goody, si Goody pala, nurse na rin po. So, I can see familiar faces. Of course, yung po ating mga alumni po ng Padilla Central School, ang ating po mga co-teachers, our district supervisor, Ma'am Monglo, Madam Mercy here, Madam Jo, Ma'am Chuchi. Si Ma'am Chuchi, hindi ko nakilala, tinanong ko kay Ma'am Mercy kasi sumeksi siya lalo at gumanda, no? Ganun pala pag aging na. Gumaganda na. Oh. And of course, si Ma'am Adelina. Ma'am, nanbanat kayo magjamanaya ka ba? Oo, okay. So, syempre po, ang ating principal po ngayon, si Madam Tigna, very able po. Ang natitira na lang po dito na co-teacher ko ay si Sir Alvin and parang siya lang. The rest kasi, hindi ko na nakasama. Si Sir Alvin na lang po yung alam ko na naandito nakasama ko dati. Kasi si Ma'am Teresita, Ma'am Sita's here, former teacher po ng Padilla Central School, kami po yung magkakasama noon. Pag may mga contest po talaga, kami po yung nagsasama, especially so pagka sa mga jingle and dance contest, kami po ang magkakasama ni Sir Alvin. Nagkwento po sa akin si Ma'am Glo. Alam niyo po, marami rin po akong mga horror stories dito. O kahit na horror na, masasabi ko na, nag-enjoy din po tayo because we know, with you po, sila po yung isa sa mga nagbabantay po sa atin dito sa school na ito. Sila yung talagang tumitingin po sa school natin, ganoon din po sa ating mga estudyante. Okay, again, congratulations po sa ating lahat. For 100 years po, eto, malakas pa rin po tayong lahat. No? And we really thank the Lord for giving us this opportune moment to be together this day. So, once again, congratulations po sa ating lahat. Good morning and God bless everyone.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
So at this juncture po, let us now have our photo ops. Per batches po tayo and tayo po ay magpapapicture kasama ang ating mga former teachers and former principals po. Sige po, may we invite here on stage po ang ating mga former teachers po and former principal together with our overall chairman and of course our principal, Ma'am Tigna, for the photo ops of each batch po. And of course, Ma'am Ederlinda po. And also the teachers, of course. Teachers, tara na po dito sa harap.